Hello, studio students. Happy Friday. I hope you all had a good week and that you got some really helpful feedback in the English 121 workshop, and that you had feedback last week from your studio classmates, and that this week I was able to give you some helpful suggestions and ideas for how to revise your This I Believe essay through the screencast process. So I loved trading videos back and forth with you. It was so nice to hear your voices and sometimes even see your faces. So it's Friday, which means I am releasing all the content for the upcoming week. Next week is week 4 already. We're almost halfway through the semester, which feels a little crazy, doesn't it? So week 4 is when we really jump into essay number 2 in earnest. So for now, what you really want to focus on is revising and then editing and proofreading your first essay. So that This I Believe essay is due in English 121 on Monday. So you want to make sure that that's really what you're focusing on. But as always, I want to give you the weekend to look ahead to week 4. So for week 4, let's take a look here. If you're in content and you go to week 4, you'll see that really there's not a whole lot of assignments. As always, we have the checklist that will walk you through what you need to do and when. And you want to start this week by completing the Reading for Summary Learning Activity quiz. And that is going to ask you to do some things with the information over in English 121. So in 121, we're going to be working on a summary and response essay, kind of starting at the end of this week and definitely in full swing next week. So definitely keep up with English 121. Jump over here in studio and do this Reading for Summary Learning Activity quiz, and then start working on writing a summary pretty early next week, because we'll have another mini writing workshop here in studio just for the 8 of us that are over here. 9 if you include me. So I'm just going to click on this really quickly. It has all the instructions, but you'll notice that before you can even post your first post, which is due by Wednesday, you have to do these 4 steps, which is watching a video over in English 121, reading some sections in our textbook, doing the learning activity quiz that I just mentioned, and then writing a 3-paragraph rough draft of your summary that you then upload and attach to the discussion board here in studio. And then I've partnered you up here, so we'll have Priscilla and Chelsea responding to each other in the workshop. And the questions are right down here as always, so you'll just copy and paste those 5 questions into your response and continue giving each other really helpful, kind, friendly, honest, and constructive feedback as a reader. And I'll talk some more about workshop feedback over in our English 121 course, but I just wanted to give you guys a heads up about what we're doing this coming week in studio. For now, really focus on working on making your This I Believe essay the absolute best it can be, and make sure that you're ready to turn that in on Monday. Okay, you guys have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon.